Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Our satellite imagery shows the cold front that made landfall today extending from west of the country all the way down into the Southern Ocean near to Antarctica. And if we zoom in over the Western Cape, we can see the cloud band that has moved in along with this front, spreading showers across that province. And we can also see the cloud cover now starting to reach Springbok as well as the Calvinia and Sutherland areas, as well as spreading into the Eastern Cape. The approaching cold front has also brought very windy weather around Port Elizabeth for much of today. For this evening, it remains mostly cloudy with a few showers across that southern part. Light showers are still likely through the Western and Eastern Cape for tonight. And we're also going to see a few drops of rainfall quite far into the interior of the Eastern Cape by late evening. For the northern parts of the country, as well as towards the Lowveld and in KwaZulu-Natal, clear conditions once again for you guys. Heading into tomorrow, and there'll still be a little bit of light rain lingering over the Karoo areas in the Eastern Cape. That will include Somerset East and Graafrenet. That area will be clearing out from mid-morning. Partly cloudy all across the southern parts of the country for Tuesday afternoon, and at the same time it's going to become quite cloudy along the coastal belt of KwaZulu-Natal with a little bit of afternoon and evening rainfall possible for those areas. The rainfall probability map for this evening shows isolated showers along the south coast and the adjacent interior. There could also be a bit of drizzle around overnight in the Beaufort West region. Things will be clearing up over the western escarpment of the country, so there could still be a few drops of rain for Calvinia and Sutherland, but a general clearance will take place overnight. Very similar around the peninsula. The odd shower or two could still be moving in for your areas this evening. The wind stream animation shows stronger winds persisting for tonight along the Eastern Cape coastline, but heading into tomorrow, the winds will be easing across that area. We're also going to see a southerly wind pushing into KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. That's going to bring in cooler conditions for those areas after a couple of very warm days across the region. For tonight, your minimum temperatures, and it's going to be another cold one through the central and southern high ground. Sutherland drops well below freezing into the early hours of tomorrow. Cold as well along the coastline of the Western Cape, 6 for George and 8 degrees for Cape Town. Heading into Tuesday afternoon, and it will still be warm up in the northern parts, in particular for Limpopo. Polokwane gets to a high of 24. Cold conditions all across the southern parts of the country. On the other hand, mid to lower teens for most places, and a significantly cooler day into KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg, with a maximum of only 16 degrees. Wednesday afternoon will be clear and dry through the central and western parts of the country. Temperatures recovering over the Western Cape. A little bit of cloud cover for Richards Bay as well as Mbombela. And on Thursday, it's going to be clear and dry for almost all of South Africa. Fairly warm weather up in the northern parts, while an approaching cold front will bring some evening rainfall into Cape Town. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.